In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Canva around an image. Whether you're creating an eye-catching social media post or designing a sleek flyer, knowing how to effectively wrap text around an image can elevate your design and captivate your audience. Let's dive into this process and make it as smooth as possible. First, begin by heading over to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, it's simple to sign up, or you can log in if you've been here before. Once you're on the home page, navigate to your dashboard or project space where you want to wrap your text around an image. Once you're in your design space, the next thing you'll want to focus on is the text component of your design. Click on the Text button, usually found on the left-hand side toolbar. This will open a range of text box options for you. From here, simply choose the style of text you prefer and add it to your canvas. This might be a standard text box, a pre-styled one with decorative fonts, or any other option that matches your vision. After inserting the text box, it's time to choose a font. Experiment with various fonts available in Canva's vast library to see which style complements both your text and the image it will be wrapping around. Remember, you want the text to be readable while also enhancing the design's aesthetic. Next, locate the Elements tab, also in the Canva toolbar. This section is crucial as it contains a myriad of shapes, lines, and illustrations. By clicking on Elements, you can access the shapes you need to assist with the text wrapping process. Once you find an element or shape that fits, go ahead and click to add it to your canvas. With the element on your canvas, the next step involves copying it. This can be done with a simple right-click and selecting Copy, or by using a keyboard shortcut. Once copied, drag this element to your desired position on the canvas. Positioning is key. You want this element to be precisely where you envision your text wrapping around your image. Now, right-click once more and choose Paste to bring in the copied element and superimpose it over the area where you want the text and image interaction to occur. Be precise with placement. This element will form the boundary around which your text will wrap, creating the perfect effect. Finally, with everything in place, it's time for a little fine-tuning. Crop out any portion of the element that's unnecessary, adjusting it until you see the desired text wrap effect emerge on the canvas. This might take a few attempts to get just right, but the result is worth the patience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly wrap text around an image in Canva, adding a professional touch to your design work. Enjoy experimenting and let your creativity flow.